Wow, and welcome back to Weekend on Wheels, and I'm Girish. Tyre plays a very important role in a motorcycle or a car, and it is very important to have the right set of tires and also to maintain the right grip of the tires. So my car, which is Nissan Micra, the tires are completely worn out. So I'm going to change the tires of my car after doing a lot of research. I have found the right kind of tires that I need. To tell you more about that, I'll see you guys right after this intro video. Welcome back to my channel. So here's my car. Let me show you the tires. Look at these tires. They're completely almost done. There's no threading at all. All the tires, all 4 tires have equally run. And if you see, there's no grooves at all, and they've started cracking. If you see a little close, they started cracking, and this is definitely not safe to use this any longer. So I am going to change all the 4 tires today, and I'll tell you once I reach the place which tire I'm gonna use or change them to. See, look at that, all of them are completely worn out. So let me go to the tire store now and tell you which tire I'm going to install on my car. So I've reached the place where I'm going to change the tires, and there's my car, and this is Apollo Tires Mangalore. So I'm going to change all the 4 tires and tell you what tire I'm going to put. So there are multiple tires that you can choose of, soft compound and hard compound. So I'm going to go with soft compound for better braking and all of it. So this is the store. So I am going with Amazer. So that's the tire that I'm going to go with, which is a soft compound. And they have hard compound tires too, but then I would not be going with hard compound. I need soft compound ones. So this is what I'll be going with, Amazer. So the tire which I'm going to install is 165 70 14. That's the tire that I'm going to install. Here we start. So first we'll lift the tires, and then lift the car, and then change the tires. So earlier I had Bridgestone, and now I am installing the Apollo. The model is called Amazer XP. So you have Amazer 4G and XP. So I'm using the XP. XP is a little more softer compound. 4G is slightly harder compound. You see here how badly this is completely worn out, and you see the cracks have started coming in. So the difference between hard compound and soft compound is hard compound you will get slightly higher tire life, but then in terms of drive comfort, soft compound is better. Braking, soft compound is better. Cornering, soft compound is better, because soft compound holds onto the road much better than the hard compound. The plus point in hard compound, it gets a better life in terms of number of kilometers that you can drive. So here's all the tires. So you can come here also do wheel balancing, and you can put nitrogen air as well. I'm gonna use nitrogen again with this. A quick lift. So taking all the old tires. So here we are taking all the air from the tire. Now taking complete air of the tire. Since it's tubeless, you have to do this. Time to take the tire from the drum and install the new tire. I'm also replacing all the air vents because these are pretty old, at least 10 years old. They're all gone. So we are installing the new one. And now we will install the tire, new tire. That's Apollo Amazer XP. This is the one. You need to grease it before you use it, so they will apply this bit. So the same process will be repeated for all the tires. So the new tire is put, and we'll be using nitrogen. Again, nitrogen is very good in place of regular air that you use. So we'll be going with nitrogen. So this needs 34 pressure. When this completely blows up, you can see there's a sound that comes, and it completely fits well. The tire will just completely fit well with the drum, as this is tubeless tires. See that sound, because this is soft and sits completely tight. Now we are doing a wheel balancing, so it's time to balance. It's been a while since I've done wheel balancing, so they'll see if it needs any weight and do wheel balancing. There you see that's the wheel balancing, and it will tell if it needs any weight, and they will install. So it needs 10 grams of weight which needs to be put, and it's giving you the indication where it needs to go. They will put in the 10 grams of weight now and balance that wheel. And the same process will be repeated for all the tires. Now it's balanced, it says OK. And here's the last tire. We finished installing all the 3, and now the 4th one. So all the tires are done now, and all tires are also have got nitrogen. So if you guys want to come and check out the tires, or also want to replace your tires, you can come to Apollo Mangalore. I'm gonna put the link in the description, the Google Map link. You can come here and get the tire installed. And I'm also going to do an extended warranty on this. This is called the Amazer XP. So you have the Amazer 4G light, which gets unconditional warranty. You can do the same thing for this. I'll talk to the guys here and see what do you need to do to get that extended warranty. So I have Sushant from Apollo, who's going to explain us the warranty. So mere warranty pura pan per sir. It's an part na XP unnate. The warranty pan per inch nanda.
Normally manufacturing warranty up to 5 years muda.
Okay.
5 years normal manufacturing warranty mana tire bubble batna matra air kontadu. Air batna matra claim.
Okay.
So nikle extra additional warranty boditna RSP warranty pan road hazard product protection bandu.
Okay.
It is 50% that we are muda unconditional warranty warranty. Unconditional warranty panda unrepairable dalekana. Exclude wear and tear.
Okay.
So unrepair panda normal gottupulada nama side crack, blast. Up to 50% thread wear muda unconditional warranty apply.
Okay.
So antadala blast porana ikle claim akoli. Claim process enje panda it is 10% an mandaru. That blast and crack and the unrepairable part. So 10% when it will come to the charge but 90% discount.
Okay. 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 Okay.
ಸೊ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಈ XP ಅನ್ಲಾಕ್ ಕೂಡ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ವಾರಂಟಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಡಿಷನಲ್ ವಾರಂಟಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಪೇ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ
ಓಕೆ
ಕಂಡೀಷನಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ 4 ಟೈರ್ಸ್ ಗೆ 499 ರೂಪೀಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್
ಓಕೆ
ಇವಾಗ ಅನ್ಲಾಕ್
ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ
499 ರೂಪೀಸ್
ಓಕೆ
ಸೊ ಅವಾಗ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಅವು ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಏನು చెప్పಂಡ 2 ಇಯರ್ಸ್ or 50% ರೆಡ್ ವೇರ್ ವಿಚ್ ಎವರ್ ಇಸ್ ಅರ್ಲಿಯರ್
ಓಕೆ ಅಂಚ ಓಕೆ
ಐಟಿ ರೇಗ್ ಈ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ದ ಫಾಲ್ಟ್ ಇರ್ ದ ವೇರಿಯಂಟ್ ಇರ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಒನ್ ಸೈಡ್ ತರ ರೆಡಿ ಪೂರ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ ಆಗ ನಾವು ಐಕೆ ಅಪ್ಲೈ
ಓಕೆ
ಕಂಡೀಷನ್
ಓಕೆ ವಾರಂಟಿ
ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂಜಿ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ಸ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್
ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ
ಆಗಿದ ಅನ್ರಿಪೇರಬಲ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಕ್ಲೈಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು
ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಅನ್ರಿಪೇರಬಲ್ ಇತ್ತನ ಇರ್ ಕ್ಲೈಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು
ಅಪ್ ಟು 50% ರೆಡ್ ವೇರ್ ಮಟ್ಟ ಅನ್ಕಂಡೀಷನಲ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ
ಓಕೆ so you've seen what are the benefits. So I'm going to do an unconditional warranty also, which is $499 for all 4 wheels, and I've put the XP tire. So let's also drive and tell you how this performs. So after all the research that I've done, I found this is one of the best that I can get in and around for my kind of use. So we'll do that now. So done with everything and had a lovely experience. If you want to change your tires, please do visit Apollo Tyres Mangalore, which is high-tech tires. And you can meet Sushant. Mere meet bandana mere full help man beri rega. Plus pata apunda bele. And battino onji jaasti panna 20 minutes aate. 20 minutes maat tire la change under undu alignment man paidiyana. But balancing man danda pura anda. So niklek barodanda. Please visit Mangalore high-tech tires. Yan Google link part description. So you can check that out. So thank you.
Thank you.
Yes, thank you. Bye bye.